Happy Thursday everyone, Miss Hall here, and we are on our fourth day of learning about properties of matter, and today we are going to be focusing on our fourth and final column titled State of Matter, Solid or Liquid. So today we're going to determine if our objects are a solid or a liquid. But before we get started, of course, we are going to read an excerpt from our reading. We can classify matter as a solid or a liquid based on its properties. A solid object keeps its shape. This is a property. A liquid takes the shape of its container. That is another property. Some objects can change from a solid to a liquid. When an ice cube becomes hot, it melts. The solid ice becomes liquid water. Objects can also change from a liquid to a solid. When water becomes cold, it freezes. The liquid water becomes solid ice. The properties of the water change. It looks and feels different. Scientists classify objects to make it easier to study them. For example, different types of rocks have different properties. Astronauts found rocks on the moon. These rocks were dark and had lots of holes. Scientists use these properties to classify the rocks as basalt. Basalt is made from cooled lava. The observation told scientists that lava once flowed on the moon. The basalt was evidence that there used to be volcanoes on the moon. Everyday life. What's to drink? Classification is useful in everyday life too. When you are thirsty, you want something to drink, but what would you choose? There are different types of drinks. Soda is sweet. Juice is also sweet, but it has more nutrients. Water and milk are not sweet. Water is clear, milk is white. Nutrients. Things that keep you healthy. All of these liquids have different properties. Their different properties help you decide what to drink when you are thirsty. You can identify the type of liquid you want to drink based on those properties. Now that we have read a little bit about solids and liquids, your instructions today are to go to your last and final column that is titled State of Matter, Solid or Liquid, and fill out those boxes. You're going to determine if your objects are a solid or a liquid. If you don't know, don't worry, just try your best. Once you are finished, you are going to again take a picture of your chart and upload it to Seesaw. Once you are in Seesaw, you are also going to have a few questions to answer, where again, you can either answer those questions directly inside Seesaw, or you can write your answers on some notebook paper, take a picture of those answers, and upload them there. I'm also going to provide an additional YouTube link video where you can learn a little bit more about solids and liquids if you're interested. All right, I can't wait to see what you guys post, and I hope you have an amazing Thursday. Bye.